Then a new day has come. It's far out in the day. I'm going to check if the smell has gone away in this car. Can be interesting. No, it's not perfect. Now it's a mix of the smell from the floor mats and the smell from the overthrow oil. It's drying up here. But it's better. It's better than it was. But I need to put on more. At least half an hour more. And see how it's after that. I think that will be the best to do now. So around 40 minutes. It's supposed to be 20. But haven't still not taken it, so now it's a mix of the overthrow smell and the other. So now I'm thinking of just pushing on more. This is no point without doing it properly. There's still other things that need to be cleaned out, but this is supposed to be taking more. So just put on 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour is put on. Now the Ozone generator have been standing on for 1 hour. I just left it on for a long time this time. I've been standing for a while. I've been standing for a while after, so I just have to wait to be safe. So now I just leave it up for the doors for a while and then come back and check it. Yeah, then I left the car just a little time and come back and checking the smell. And it's a completely different smell in this car now than before. So now I decided tomorrow or another day is supposed to be better weather. So then I'm just checking more if the smell is feeling okay tomorrow, and I think then I would start to put down the carpet again, and if I need it I just going to push on more oxidation. Or let me see, I'm not going to put out the video today. I just wait till tomorrow and start to doing something more. Yeah, then I'm back with a new day, and then the smell is much better in the car, so I decided I'm going to start putting in the carpet again. Put that in the front. It will be interesting. The carpet is very big. It needs to be up in some special places. Hopefully now I'm not going to mess up too much. Now to remember to take away my tools. to get to remember to get these boxes out where they're supposed to come out. Yeah, go. Actually, yeah, I think I'm on the right way. Because I have to get the screw the right place. Yeah, front there is okay. The screw up here, left tab on it. That looks to be okay. It's not that easy to remember everything, but I think I'm on the right direction at least. You see that you have to put in these pieces here. Now I have no problem with my antenna for a dab, so this one is out. Just put the antenna in the back here. This is going in with the locking system there, and I find that one left. I'll go to the other side. This side I have the locking splint lying here, so there. That piece is back. Now it's the center console piece. Also, I need to get it on the right side of that. You see here, I have splint here, the other side, I have a splint up here, and here. It's supposed to go outside. This I should have cleaned more, so I have to do that. And this one is going up there. And on the other side, the same is going up there, so at least it's going the right way. Now I have to go out and do some other things, but the smell, most of the smell have gone away. So I was thinking just put on even more now and leave it for 1 hour again, because I can't do anything with it anyway, so I can just try to clean out smell. Then I put on this one again, the oxidation. Leave it for 1 hour and let the car stand. This is the third time. Start to be kind of typical for me. Tried 3 times. But at least now I go and do some other things. Then later today I have to see if I have time to fix that and put in some more and start to see things going forward. So thank you for a moment to go with out in the sun a little. Yeah, thank you for watching this part. I tried to make some small parts, can't make them too long every day. But a lot of people in Norway and a lot of other places in the world now have to sit inside because of the corona. or the way the government is trying to kill off the corona is by getting people to not meeting other people. So we're just crossing the fingers and hope that's working. Yeah, I'm not sure. We have to see. So thank you, hope you like this video and hope you subscribe to the channel. And I'm trying to come back more on this car and also a lot of the other projects, because even if the corona is staying here, I have a lot of projects I can work on. So it's no problem, I can make a lot of things.